Welcome grade 8 students. This is our day 4 of week 16 and the lesson for today is language skills and punctuations. Please turn your literary companion on page 270 to 271 and make sure that your book and your pen are ready. The learning objectives are first, recall the different and punctuations, and second, review and punctuations in direct quotations. Let's start knowing the end punctuations. End punctuation refers to the punctuation marks that are used at the ends of sentences. As a writer, you choose which punctuation mark to use based on the type of sentence you are writing. If you look at the left part of the screen, you will see the type of sentences and the end punctuation mark it requires. For declarative, which we all know as a simple statement, it ends with a period. For an interrogative, which we all know as a question, we use a question mark. In an exclamatory sentence, which is a statement made with a strong emotion, it requires an exclamation point. In an imperative, which shows a command or request, we usually know a period, but it also can end with an exclamation point. Notice that an imperative sentence, which makes a command or request, may end either in a period or an exclamation point. As a writer, you must decide how much emotion you want to express in an imperative sentence. In direct quotations, end punctuation that indicates the speaker's emotion or intent is placed inside the closing quotation marks. If you see the example number 1, you can see that the end punctuation marks is actually located inside the quotation marks. An exemption to the above rule is when the author adds a speaker tag before ending a sentence. A speaker tag shows who is speaking. Example include she said, they asked, and he thought. In such cases, a comma should be placed inside the quotation mark where the period would have appeared. Review this excerpt. Example 2. Let us practice and apply. And punctuation. Insert periods, quotation marks, and exclamation points in these sentences. Please take time to answer this section. As per number 2, write a short scene in which the captain and one of the former humans from the story meet. In your writing, demonstrate correct usage of periods, question marks, and exclamation points. Include at least 3 lines of dialogue. Please take your time to answer this practice. Here are some possible answers. As per number 2, in summary, end punctuation refers to the punctuation marks used at the end of the sentences. And in an imperative, it may end with a usual period or even an exclamation. As writers, you must decide how much emotions you want to express. I hope that you learned something today. If you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.